In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and set up an AI chatbot in HubSpot within minutes. Creating an AI chatbot for your website is a fantastic way to engage with your visitors, provide instant assistance, and automate your customer service. And with HubSpot, the process is not only straightforward, but also highly customizable to fit your business needs. Whether you're new to HubSpot or already familiar with its tools, I'll guide you step by step to have your chatbot up and running in no time. Let's get started. First things first, head over to the HubSpot homepage and log into your account. Now, if you don't already have an account, don't worry. You can create one quickly before proceeding. You'll need this account to access all the tools and features we're about to explore. Once you're logged in, navigate from the main dashboard to the automation section. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to setting up automated workflows, including chatbots. Think of it as the control center for creating systems that work behind the scenes on autopilot. Within the automation section, click on the Automations tab. From here, you'll see a variety of options, but for this tutorial, we're focused on the Chatbot tool. So go ahead and select Chat Flows from the options available. This is the feature that allows you to create, customize, and manage your chatbot. It's like building a virtual assistant tailored to your website's needs. Once you're in the Chat Flows area, click on Create Chat Flow to begin setting up your new chatbot. This is where the fun starts, as you'll now begin shaping how your chatbot will function for your website visitors. Next, you'll need to choose the location for your chatbot. Select Website as the location. This ensures that your chatbot will be visible and interactive directly on your business's website, where it can greet visitors, answer questions, and guide them toward what they need. After selecting the location, click Next to move forward into the setup process. Now we're getting into the details that will make your chatbot truly effective. Here, you'll configure your chat flow settings. Start by customizing the appearance of your chatbot. This could include selecting colors, fonts, and positioning that align with your brand's look and feel. This step is important because your chatbot should feel like an extension of your business's identity. Next, adjust its availability settings. Decide when the chatbot will be active. For example, you might want it available 24/7 to assist visitors even outside of business hours. Finally, craft your automated responses. These are the messages your chatbot will send to users. Think about the most common questions your visitors are likely to have and create clear, helpful answers for each scenario. This step ensures that your chatbot communicates effectively and leaves a positive impression on your audience. Once you've finished configuring all the settings, click Create to finalize and activate your AI chatbot. At this point, your chatbot is live and ready to engage with visitors on your website. It's an exciting moment because you've just added a powerful tool to enhance your customer interactions and streamline your support process. And remember, you can always return to HubSpot at any time to tweak or optimize your chatbot based on how users are interacting with it. Adjustments like refining responses or tweaking its appearance can make a big difference in improving performance and user satisfaction. Think of your chatbot as a work in progress that evolves as you learn more about what your visitors need. And that's it. You've just set up your very own AI chatbot on HubSpot, ready to assist your website visitors and provide value to your business. If you have any questions or want to share your experience setting up your chatbot, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.